everyone, it's Judy. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate your visit. Today I wanted to share with you my Bibbidi Bobbidi Box. Now, yeah, it came that way. Some days I'm just not a fan of the Postal Service. Yeah, no, just I'm not happy. You can see that it got really smunched, and that is no reflection on Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes at all. I'm sure when it left their hands it was pristine. I just hope that there's nothing inside of it broken. We'll work on that. So let's see what's inside. I know it's May, but I think this is April's Bibbidi Bobbidi Box. Okay, like I said in the intro, it came smashed. I did open it to make sure that there was nothing obviously broken, and there wasn't, so cross your fingers, because that would just break my heart. Okay. And of course, they just know. I don't know, does everybody get purple tissue paper in their Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes, or is it just me? Because purple tissue paper. Happy spring and happy unboxing. The flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all, and it's got one of the mice from Cinderella and a blue bird. I love that. Please tag us in your unboxings. I'm going to try to remember to do that this time. Instagram at Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. Okay. Spoiler alert, packing slip included. Put that over there because we don't want to be spoiled. Okay. This must be Easter because there's Easter eggs. Can you see that? I love their confetti here. Okay, so see where the box was smashed on this side. It doesn't look like there's anything broken. Hopefully there was nothing in here to break. And all I'm seeing is purple. I don't know what it is, but it's purple. Okay. Over here in the corner is an Alex and Ani bracelet. Disney Park exclusive. And it is the Evil Queen. I love, love, love Alex and Ani bracelets. I bought two. I think I showed you my haul video when I came back from Disney World. This was actually one that was in my hand, and I almost got it, but then I changed my mind at the last minute, and I got Haunted Mansion one instead. This one, of course, is purple. If you could see that. If not, I'll put it in. I love that. I love that. I don't have any bracelets on. But I can't get the tag off. Okay, so much for that grand plan. Love that. Okay. Oh, what is this? Oh my. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, look at the colors. This is one of the, I always look at the scarves at Disney, and I have yet to pull the, is this maybe Rapunzel? I'll have to look on the packing slip. It's got, it's Rapunzel colors, but then again it's purple. It's got, I don't know if you can see it, I might have to take a photo. It's got Mickey and Minnie's down the edge, or is that just Minnie? That might just be Minnie. And then this beautiful flowers in the middle. Oh, I absolutely adore that. It doesn't, I'm not wearing purple. How on earth did that happen? But doesn't it go wonderful with my hair? Some colors in my hair. Oh, I love that. I love that. I love that. That is just gorgeous. Okay. I can see something else in here, and it's purple. Oh, let's get rid of that. No way. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna give Beth from Collectioneers Club a little plug here. I recently joined her her Facebook group, which is Collectioneers, and one of the questions that she asked, I'll put a link down below. You need, if you collect Disney, you need to be there. Just as, you know, as in. And one of the questions was, what do you collect? And I realized that unknowingly, I have started collecting Disney purses. And I love Loungefly. Oh my goodness, look at this. The Evil Queen. Oh, isn't that just... Okay, give me a minute. Look at the inside. Can you see that? Oh my goodness, I love that. I absolutely love this bag. I wish I'd had this our last trip. It's purple. Now I do have a Loungefly backpack. I love, love, love. It's the redhead from Pirates of the Caribbean. I adore it. I really, really, absolutely adore it. But this is the Evil Queen, and it's purple. Oh my, this is perfect. This is perfect for me. I love, yeah. I am getting quite the collection of Disney purses. I think we're going to blame this on my husband. He started it. He bought me, so 2 years ago, he bought me, no, let's go even further back. We go in, I'm losing my ears. We go in the fall. There we go. We go to Disney in the fall, and he bought me, 4 years ago, he bought me the Vera Bradley crossbody purse. That's Disney. Love it. Take it every single trip. I adore that. So it's his fault. He bought me that for the birthday present because we go in the fall and he was looking for something because my birthday's in the fall, and that's what he bought me for my birthday. So we're going to blame this on him. 2 years ago, he bought me the Dooney and Burke Haunted Mansion purse, which I love. But this, I love this too. Not as much as my Dooney and Burke. Sorry, Haunted Mansion. It's gray though. If it was purple. But this, okay. I'm going to drool all over and I haven't even used it yet. Oh my, I love this. Thank you so much, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. This is perfect for me. Okay. Okay. That's it for the bag. Now, let me look at my packing slip. It's got Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh. Okay. There's something else in here too. A quick note about your box. By selecting less items would be fine as long as the value is the same. When you purchased your box, you let us know you are a quality over quantity type of subscriber. Yes. This month's box contained fewer items of higher value as opposed to more items of lesser value. We hope you love it. Okay, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, right on the money. And I don't mean whatever. I love it. I love the scarf. The bracelet, I actually, like I said, my last trip to Disney, I had it in my hands. I was going to purchase it, but I bought the Haunted Mansion one instead so that I got the Evil Queen. Priceless. Okay, so let's look at the packing slip. How much did I pay for this box? I want to say it was $134. This is their highest subscription box. I can't remember what it's called. I'll put down here. Oh my goodness. I'm still, the bag. The bag, the bag. Oh my goodness, the bag. Okay. So, Loungefly Evil Queen Face Mini Backpack was $70. Love it. Disney Parks Alex and Annie Evil Queen Silver, $44.95. And this is Mickey Paisley Scarf. This I could wear someplace and it's not in your face Disney. This, I'm just purple. But I know that I'm Disney. This was $24.99. So the total price came to $139.94. So more value. And I have to tell you that, like I said, I have another Loungefly purse that I ordered from Shop Disney. Not only did I pay for the purse, but I paid for shipping. So this way, I got all, oh, not my ears. If I could get the tag off, I'd be wearing this too. Anyways. I got all the items you know, for the price of my subscription box. I love this subscription service. I really do. I'm not going to get it every month from now on. Like I said in one of my previous videos, I'm trying to get away from product content into information content, but I will be doing reviews. This Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes has to be my favorite subscription boxes, and they all know that I'm a purple girl. All 3 items were purple. So I know you have to, I know that's also in my preferences. But yeah, this is perfect. Okay, I'll stop drooling now. I'm going to leave the link to Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes below. I have more unboxings. I should probably make a playlist of my Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes unboxings because they are perfect. If you are looking for a subscription service, the only thing that probably edges Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes out over Magic at Your Door is that they have different tiers. So this one was $134. That's the most expensive tier, but they also have one, I think that's like $40. With this one, I think I was supposed to get, is it 4 to 5 items? I will look it up. I forget these things. I got this in my box. I forget the little details, okay? Sorry. They, you know, how could anybody complain they didn't get 4 to 5 items when they got an Evil Queen backpack? Really? That's purple. Anyways. Love it. I might wear, I probably will wear my scarf, and as soon as I can get my tag off my bracelet, I'll be wearing that as well. I hope that you like this. As I said, I'm going to link, I'm just repeating myself because I'm so excited over this bag. Is this bag just, look at that. She's looking at you. She has beautiful purple eyeshadow on too. As always, go out there and do something great and have a magical, magical day. Oh, I didn't ask. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you and I can become friends. We can become besties. Just hit the subscribe button, leave a comment so we can start getting to know each other. Bye. I really need to get this tag off. Why aren't my scissors ever? Oh, there they are. Let's get them. Shocker, they're purple. Whoops. See, if I put it right there, the light reflects on it.